How to fix call history missing on Messenger. In this video, I will show you how to fix call history missing on Messenger. First, open or launch the Messenger mobile application just like I have done here. You will land on the homepage of the app. After that, go to the bottom menu where you will see these different options. From the options that are sometime back before the new update, there used to be a section for the call history. As you can see, mine does not have this section. Yours may also not be having that section, that is why you are here. Don't worry because it is not a bug or an issue with your Messenger account. I will show you where to find it. Exit the Messenger mobile application just like I have done. After that, locate and open the phone app just like I have done here. As you can see, the phone app will load just like it is here. From there, what you have to do is to simply go to the different sections that are here and look for one named, recents, or any other name that will show you your call history. After that, you will be able to see your Messenger call history just like that. In case you cannot also see the call history in the phone app, then try going to the Play Store or App Store and updating your app, as the app may be having some glitches which will go away after updating it. Also, go to the phone settings and open Messenger settings from there. After that, clear the app cache and then check if the feature is working. This will also remove any corrupted files that are making the app to not work well. That is how to fix call history missing on Messenger.